Now, people wouldn't know they have this disease unless they sneeze. So that's how they can tell if they have the disease. So when people sneeze, it was a sign of them about to get sick from that plaque. So that's when St. Gregory made a commandment for those who sneeze, say God bless you, because that means they're about to die, according to their belief. But they didn't just say God bless you because they thought you was about to die from the disease. They also said God bless you because they thought that when you sneeze, you are sneezing out the devil. And if you don't want him to come back in, they have to put a cross on your head to block them from coming back in. But wait, not only that they thought when you sneeze, you're sneezing out a devil, demon, or whatever, they also thought and believed that when you sneeze, you are sneezing out your soul. So every time you sneeze, they thought you was gonna lose your soul. You're gonna accidentally sneeze out your soul. So because of that, they would say, God bless you, so it wouldn't happen. And then they used to say, if you sneeze, your heart stop. Bro, if your heart stop, you gonna pass out. So you don't gotta say God bless you to nobody. If you believe in Jesus Christ as your Lord and Savior, then you know you're already blessed.